Secretary wa Nurses Union Kisii Branch. Tunataka kusema ya kwamba tumefikiana makubaliano na County Commissioner and the Office of the County Government ya kwamba ile maneno ilikuwa huko Nduru tujaribu kusuluhisha, ndio afadhali watu wetu waweze kupata matibabu huko. What we are saying, the politician to keep off from interfering with the health matters, na wananchi waweze kupata matibabu vizuri. Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema ya kwamba madaktari wenzetu warudi kazi kufikia Monday, waendelee kupeana matibabu katika eneo la Nduru, na security tumekubaliana ya kwamba ipewe katika ile hospitali, itakuwa 24 hours, na mtu yeyote asikuje kusumbua madaktari huko. Wape madaktari amani, waendelee kutibu wagonjwa, maana wameteseka kwa hii muda mrefu yenye wamekuwa nje. Na wale vijana wenzetu wanatumika kuharibu na kupiga madaktari, iwe onyo ya mwisho. Mtu yeyote asijaribu kugusa daktari, na ikue funzo katika hizi sub county zote 9 katika eneo la Kisii County. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema ya kwamba County Commissioner, asante sana kwa kutuambia ya kwamba kuna security na itakuwa na hakuna mtu atakuwa anacheza na daktari yeyote. Kwa hivyo nashukuru, na Mungu aendelee kuwajalia katika haya wakati matibabu yatakuwa yanapewa huko South Mugirango. Asante.
Okay. I'm Victor Bonchete. I'm the branch secretary Kenya Clinical Officers branch. As my co-secretary has alluded, we have agreed, but let it be a stern warning. If anybody attempts to do anything to healthcare workers, we cannot hesitate to close our facility, because we are not just crossing, we are just withdrawing our services, because you see, you don't need it. We stay home, or we will be deployed to another place. So as we have agreed, we just thank the county government of Kisii, His Excellency the Governor and the Deputy, the County Commissioner, because the people Nduru wameumia ya kutosha, na kama kuna mwenye hajasoma aone chenye kifanyika. Tusiongee mengi, watu wa Nduru warudishwe services from now henceforth, latest by Monday, watu warudi kazi. Asanteni sana.
Jambo. I want to also add my voice on behalf of the Governor of Kisii, Honorable Simbarati, and the entire government of this county, that truly the Nduru people, the South Mugirango people have suffered because of the absence of health services. It is because of the way our leadership has handled itself that has caused this. And it is clear, me included, it is the politicians who have hurt the people of Nyamarambe, South Mugirango. Let me thank the unions who have had negotiations, discussions with His Excellency the Governor, and also the County Commissioner who is here with us, on matters of security for the healthcare workers. I want to thank you because you have decided to take back your services so that our people in South Mugirango do not continue suffering. Thank you very much. With the assurance from the County Commissioner that security is guaranteed, deployment of security personnel 24 hours in Nduru Health Facility, Nduru Hospital, and also all the level 4s and our level 5 facilities, so that we are sure of we assure our healthcare workers that they have the security and continue serving our people. My warning to our people: you can't break the leg that you used to walk. We cannot beat up the healthcare workers and then ask them to give us service when they are nursing the injuries. I'm asking our people, let's rethink some conducts that we find ourselves in, that we should desist from hurting public servants. They are here to serve us. When we send them away, we lose service, we suffer. So it is my prayer to the entire lot of people in the entire county that we must behave. We pull our socks, we pull up our socks in the way we handle our public servants. It doesn't matter what. We should not mishandle our security personnel. We should not mishandle our healthcare workers, not our teachers, anyone who is giving us service. Their business to serve us. And the time we had them, we had